step-by-step fix. 1. Set the correct audio output device. Right-click the sound icon, open Sound Settings. Under Output, ensure your active device, headphone speakers, is selected. 2. Change sample rate. 1. Go to Control Panel, Sound, Playback Devices. 2. Right-click your device, Properties, Advanced. 3. Set it to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Disable Spatial Sound, Windows Sonic. Go to Sound Settings. Right-click Output Device, Spatial Sound set to Off. 4. Use Legacy Audio Mixer, UE5 specific fix. Go to Steam. Right-click Wuchang, Properties, Launch Options. Add this. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Disable Exclusive Mode. Sound Settings, Playback Device, Properties, Advanced tab. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Give exclusive mode applications priority. 6. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Open Device Manager, Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click each device and click Update Driver, or manually download from Realtek. Please open your app to see this link. NVIDIA, please open your app to see this link, if using HDMI audio. 7. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Reinstall DirectX Runtime, June 2010. Please open your app to see this link. Visual C++ redistributables. Please